Alright. Diretso tayo sa discussion natin for the Quizignment number 1 for BAPE2 sa ODPUBs part 1 natin. So, diretso tayo. Let us not waste time, di ba? Para tapos agad. So, dito. Okay, let's start with problem number 1. So, anong problem number 1? So, the following information is obtained in connection with the audit of Soledad Company's cash account as of December 31, 2020. So, ito, outstanding check. Napindot ang post. So, ito, outstanding check. So, yun, as of, November 30. So, ending ng November 30, ng November. Outstanding check naman for ending ng December. Deposit in transit, ending ng November. Cash balance per general ledger. So, ito yung book balance ng cash noong December 31, 1125. Actual company collection from its customers during December. So, receipts, 457,500 during December. Company checks paid by bank in December. So, ito yung in-issue na check ni company na kung saan yun lang yung na binayaran ni bangko. So, alam niyo it does not necessarily mean na lahat ng checks na na-issue ni company binayaran ni bangko. Kasi alam natin, may difference yan, may time difference yan. So, sa lahat ng company checks na na-issue ni books or ni company, ito lang yung nabayaran ni bangko, 390. So, bank service charge recorded on company books as of December or in December, 7.5. Bank service charges per December bank statement, 9,750 pala. Deposit credited by bank during December. So, ito yung na-receive ni bangko. Yeah? Deposits credited. Ito lang yung na-receive ni bangko na kung saan ito lang yung yung in-approve niya, di ba? Na deposits 45 November, bank service charges that was recorded on company books in December. So alam niyo 45. So makita niyo dito, yung bank service charge na record on company books, ito yung ni-record ng company 7.5. So alam niyo na, nasa 7.5 na yan, yung 4.5 kasama. Ang problema, yung 4.5 na yan, for November yan, pero December lang na-record. Sir, ulitin niyo sir, bakit kaya ganyan nangyari? Kasi nga ang bank statement class sa ang binibigay yan ng bangko, tinatransfer ng bangko or binibigay ng bangko ng copy yung company at the end of the Kasi nga bank statement monthly bank statement. Alam naman at the start of the month for di ba? Or half of the month or ng term yun or kalahati na ng buwan tapos magbibigay ka ng ng bank statement, hindi, di ba? Kung January yan, edi magbibigay ka ng bank statement at the end of January, January 31 or baka February 1, February 2 na binigay kasi inayos pa yung bank statements. Kaya binibigay yan at the end of the month or the next month na. Kaya usually nangyayari, kahit na for December yan, for November yung for November yung transaction, the next month na nare-record kasi the next month pa na-receive yung bank statement, yeah? So, cash receipts book of December is underfooted by 7,500. Now, ano ang meaning ng underfooted? Di ba? If you can still remember, pag-usapan natin yan. Or sa terminology pa lang yan. Ang underfooted, ibig sabihin, ganito lang yan. Kung bigyan natin ng illustration, 1 plus 2 plus 3. Anong proper na sagot? Di ba? Anong proper na sagot? Dapat 6. However, pag underfooted yan, 1 plus 2 plus 3, tapos ang naging sagot mo is 4, yun yung problema. Kulang, kaya nga underfooted. Yung total balance should be 6. Should be 6. However, ang nalagay lang is 4. So, underfooted yun. Ang overfooted naman, kung nilagay mo 1 plus 2 plus 3, dapat 6 yan. Tapos ang nilagay mo is 8, yun. Overfooted yun. Mas mataas sa kung ano yung totoong balance or totoong balance, totoong result ng formula or ng pag-a-add mo. So, underfooted, mas mababa. From the word itself, ba? Underfooted. Overfooted, mas mataas sa kung ano yung true balance, true result. So, in this case, yung cash receipt mo daw, underfooted by 7,500. So, ibig sabihin, underfooted sa by 7,500 na sobra, di ba? So, mamayan. The bank erroneously charged the company's account for at 11,250 check of another depositor. So, this bank error was corrected on January 2021 pa. So, with that, questions tayo. Ilan to? 6 question, 7. Ito pala yung mahaba. Anyways, paspasa natin to. Half na ba yan? Kasi nga review na lang to. Or discussion na lang to ng ano. So with that, diba? Ano yung question number 1? How much is the deposit in transit on December 31? Na itong number 1, from number 1 to 6, kailangan nyo yun ma-solve kasi from 7 to 10, diba? Ano na yun? For magpo-proof of cash ka doon. Kasi yung tanong, pang pinapagawan ka ng proof of cash basically. Impliedly pinapagawa ka. So, how much is the deposit in transit on December 31, 2020? December 31, deposit in transit. Ano mean ng deposit in transit, di ba? Yung na-record mo na sa books, yung mga na-receive mo. So, ngayon, ipapadala mo na sa bangko. However, because of timing difference, di ba? 3 days pang waiting time bago i-credit ng bangko kasi chine-check pa nila, 'di ba? Lalo na pag ibang different yung bank na sa check sa bangko na i-deposit mo. So because of that, sa'yo na-record mo na yung receipt. Sa bangko, hindi pa. So yun yung mga deposit in transit. So deposit in transit, ang tanong, what is the deposit in transit on December 31, 2020? So with that said, paano natin malalaman? Yeah? Basically, ano lang, ito, may formula. Yeah, obviously. So, ito, deposit in transit on November 30. Yeah, dito yun, 37,500. Yan yung beginning balance ng deposit in transit mo. Beginning balance. Kasi ang ending balance ng previous period is the beginning balance of the next period. So, ending balance ng November is 37,500. That is the beginning balance of December. So, huwag nyo kalimutan yung mga basics. So, add company collections in December. Di ba yung mga company collections, i-deposit yan nila sa bangko. So, as of that time, parang deposit in transit siya. So, kasi collection na-record na nila sa book nila, ngayon i-deposit na nila sa bangko. Ngayon, as provided dito, di ba, deposits credited by bank during December, ito lang, out of all the deposits na collect ni company na i-deposit niya na sa bangko, yung nakikredit pa lang ng bangko is 435,000. Yan pala yung nare-record niya So with that said, alam mo na from all the deposits na i-deposit niyo na sa bangko, 435 pa lang yung na-credit. So with that, may hindi pa nare-record si bank na 60,000. In transit pa lang siya. So ang answer dyan, letter D. Next is number 2, bank service charges per December bank statement. Bank service charges estimate. The total unrecorded bank service charges as of December 31, 2020 is ano yung ni-record mo nung una, di ba? Bank service charges. Ang hinahanap lang for December. Ngayon yung bank service charges per December bank statement 9,750. So yan ay ni-record mo kasi yun ang sabi ng bank statement Yeah? O yan yung totoo. Yun yung recorded. Ngayon, ito yung problema. Nag-record ka ng 7,500 sa company books mo kung saan i-refer mo yung 7,500 na yun as bank service charges recorded. Ngayon, na-receive for December. Ngayon, ito yung problema. Di ba sabi tin kanina, meron kang 4,500 na November bank service charges. Kaso nga, because late na yun, hindi agad yan nabibigay yung bank statement. So kaya, yung for November charge, December mo na-record. So 4,500 yun. So alam mo, 7,500 yung na-record mo na, yung 4,500 out of that 7,500 is for November. So tanggalin mo siya. So with that said, yung na-record mo pa lang, oh my God, lumilindol class. Wait lang, lumilindol. Whoa, amazing. I mean, wow. Okay, goods na? Lumuyunig pa rin. Pause ko ba muna to? Nakikita niyo ako nag-yugyug. Lumuyugyug, no? Oh, wait lang. Chicken, kailangan nagre-record doon maglindol. Oh, parang nag-stop na. So anyways, continuing. So, sana yun? 'Di ba? Yung na-record pa lang niya is 7,500. Ulitin na natin. Nawala tayo sa focus. Kaso sa 7,500 yan na record niya na. Parang lumilin doon pa. Yawa na yan. Kaso yung sa na-record yung 7,500, 4,500 yan for November pala. So, yung na-record niya pa lang for December is 3,000. Yun pa lang na-record niya for December. Ngayon, dumating na yung bank statement na kung saan nagsasabi na 9,750 dapat yung bank service charges niya per December. Since na-record niya naman yung 3,000 for December, di ba? Na-record niya na. So yung remaining na lang na 6,750 yung hindi pa nare-record. So yan yung kaya nga unrecorded bank statement balance. So yan. So 6,750 letter A. So number 3, what is the total book receipts? Magkano daw yung na-receive ni books ni company noong December? Magkano yung collection siya? Magkano yung na-receive niyang pera, di ba? Cash receipts. So with that said, may nakalagay naman dito, actual company collections from its customers during December. Sinabi naman 4,500. However, di ba? May sinabi tayo dito. The cash receipts books of December is underfooted by 7,500. Yeah, 7,500. Meaning, nasobrahan ng pagtotal. Yeah, sabi natin dito, di ba? 6 dapat yung sagot, pero nag-underfooting. Ang nalagay 4. Yeah? So, in this case, okay. Nagano lang tayo sa dali. Nice natin So, saan tayo yan? Ito. Diba? Underfooting. Diba? In-explain natin dito na pag in-add mo to, dapat yung total 6. Kaso yung nalagay is 4. Underfooting yun. Pag ang overfooting, ang totoong total should be 6. However, ang nalagay is 8. Yun, overfooting yun. Ngayon, in this case, ang tinatanong sa number 3 kasi, what is the total book receipts in December? Magkano daw yung total book receipts? Ngayon, makikita mo dito, receipts, magkano yung na-receive na collect ni company. Yung actual company collection from its customers during December is 457,500. So, automatic ba ilalagay mo 457,500? Hindi. Kasi ang tinatanong, hindi kung ano yung actual na na-receive, but rather, ano yung na-record sa books. Ano yung na-record sa books. It does not necessarily mean that is the factual or that is the true, that is the actual. No. Ang tinatanong lang, ano yung nakalagay na number sa books. Diba? So, in this case, may nakasabi dito, the cash receipts books of December is underfooted by 7,500. So kahit na yung actual na na-receive mo is 457,500, pero yung naka-record sa book is underfooted by 7,500. So alam mo na yung true balance is, yung true balance, yung actual balance is 457, kaso may underfooting. So alam mong mas mababa. So kaya dito nakalagay 457,500 minus 7,500 kasi underfooted siya. Di ba? May logic yan, di ba? Ang true balance is 6, kaso underfooted, so magiging 4. Same in this case, ang true actual balance is 457,500. That is the actual company collections. But, however, ang tinatanong ng problem ng number 3, ano yung nakarecord sa books? Yun lang ang tanong niya Ano yung nakarecord sa books? And since sinabi nito, underfooted by 7,500, so alam mong, babawasan mo yun siya. Same logic yan dito. Yeah? So yan, 457,500 minus 7,500, yung nakarecord sa books na receipt ng company for the month of December is 450,000. Yeah? So letter C. Diba? Mag-ingat sa comprehension terminology. Ang hinahanap, hindi actual, but rather ano yung nakalagay sa books. Diba? Number 4, what is the total amount of company checks issued in December? So, disbursement to, di ba? Disbursement. Magkano yung checks na na-issue ni company? Magkano yung nilabas niya for the month of December? Yeah? So, with that said, ang tinatanong, magkano yung checks na in-issue niya? Magkano yung amount of checks? So, dito nakalagay meron ka ng ending balance ng checks na na-issue. Yung outstanding checks. Ito yung mga checks na hindi pa hindi pa dinebit ni bangko sa accounting company. Yeah? Kasi kaka-issue lang ni company. Pero sa books ni company, recorded na yan as disbursement. Pero for the bank, outstanding pa lang yan kasi hindi pa nila napoprocess. So yan yung end. Pero pinapakita dito, di ba, ang pinapahanap sa atin, magkano yung checks na na-issue for December. Diba? So ending balance is 37,500. Then, diba? Checks paid by bank. Diba? Saan yun? Checks paid by bank. Saan yun? Ito, company checks paid by bank in December 390. Bakit? Di ba parang sa ano lang yan, yung kung napapansin nyo, di ba may process yan para malaman mo kung ano yung ano, di ba? For example, yung sa ending inventory, paano nalalaman kung anong ending inventory? Di ba? Beginning plus purchases, minus the cost of goods sold, malalaman mo ng ending inventory. O parang gano'n lang yung logic ng flow, di ba? Sa accounting na papalitan mo lang. In this case, anong pinapahanap sa'yo? Yung checks issued. Same na sa ginagawa natin, di ba? Yung inaano mo yung ending, inaano mo yung beginning, yung current nag-happen sa period, di ba? In this case, outstanding check as of December 31, that's the ending. Ang pinapahanap sa atin, yeah, kung i-relate natin doon sa formula ng cost of good ng ending inventory, yung sa ano, parang ito yung checks paid by bank December. Parang ito yung purchases. These were the yun actually nag-happen. Saan na tayo nun? Na delirious tayo dahil sa lindol. Anyways, so yun, outstanding checks, ending balance, yung checks na na-paid. So ito yung total checks, di ba? Total checks during the month. Ngayon, tatanggalin mo yung beginning balance ng checks, di ba? Kasi may outstanding checks ka dito as of December, di ba? As of November. And alam natin na yung ending balance ng previous period shall be the beginning balance of the next period. So in this case, yung ending balance ng November, yan yung naging beginning balance ng December. So yung checks issued in December, yeah, is 378,750. So kung gusto mo malaman ano yung ending balance ng checks, di ba? Add mo lang beginning plus checks paid by the bank, di ba? Tapos checks issued in December. So outstanding. Parang laro-laruin mo lang yung formula. Same logic naman sila eh. Nagkakaiba lang sa kung ano yung kanilang terminology, point of view. Kaya kailangan talaga. Kaya nga ang skills talaga ng isang accountant is analytical. Paano niya i-analyze yung problem. Lalo na sa board exam. Ilang beses ko sinasabi ito sa inyo. Sa basics kayo titirahin. Promise. So, letter B. So, next is number 5. So, ang tinatanong sa number 5, what is the total book disbursement sa December? So, checks issued, yeah? Nakalagay naman, book disbursement plus the for December, di ba? Plus the plus yung service charge na ni-record ni company. Ang tinatanong lang naman dito, ano yung naka-record sa book si company, hindi actual na nangyari o actual na issue. Ano yung naka-record sa book si company? So with that, 386,250. So bilis-bilis na lang natin to para hindi matagal yung ano. So books, kasi ano lang natin, discussion naman to ng Quizignment. So book number 6, what is the book balance on November 30, 2020? Mahalaga to kasi gagamitin nyo to sa ano, di ba? Sa proof of cash later. The book balance on December 31. Book balance. The book balance on November 30. So, yun ang pinapahanap. So, yun. Hanapin. Yung ending balance, di ba? 112,500. Plus yung disbursement, 386,250. Minus yung receipts. Di ba? Natandaan nyo yung sa ano ng yung sa formula ng ng proof of cash, di ba? Beginning plus receipts minus disbursement equals to the ending balance. Yung beginning balance as of November, di ba? Tapos yung receipts and disbursement as of the month of December, And yung ending as of December 31. Kaya nakalagay ng beginning dito kasi yung ending ng November 31 is the beginning of December. So, kaya sa 4-column bank statement or 4-column reconciliation. 4-column reconciliation. So, don't forget that. So, same logic, yeah? 48,750. Ngayon, yung number 48,750. So, with that, ang next na to kasi what is the bank balance on November 30, what is the total bank receipts, what is the total bank disbursement December, and what is the bank balance. So, yan na. Mag-ano na dyan, di ba? Proof of cash na. So, proof of cash. Yun sa baba. So, yun. Okay. So, yun. Proof of cash. Yeah? Hinanap naman natin yung book balance as of November 30, di ba? Dito sa taas, sinolve natin. Ito, 48,750. So, don't forget yung formula nito. Beginning plus receipts minus disbursement equals to the ending. Ito, so 450. Saan ang galing yung 450? Diba? Sa taas yan. 450, ito. Next, yung 386,250, yung disbursement for the month of December. Pinahanap rin sa atin dito sa taas. Yeah, ito. Itong ending balance ng December for the cash, given naman yun sa problem, nandito. Siya na yung si 112500. Yun. Dito si 112500. So with that, goods. Let's do. So outstanding checks, yeah? Outstanding checks. Ano yung outstanding checks natin? Hoy, take note lang hindi ito sa meaning outstanding checks Dito yan nakuha sa book balance. Sadyang nagkapareho lang sila ng outstanding checks. Okay? So with that, outstanding checks as of the month of as of the date of November 30. So yun, outstanding checks, yeah? Outstanding siya. 'Di ba? Outstanding siya month of November 30. So anong logic niyan? Ibig sabihin, outstanding siya on the month of November 30, na disburse siya on the month of December. Kasi outstanding siya sa ending ng November. So logic will tell you na pagka December, na-clear na yan sa bangko, dinebit na sa account ni company. So in that case, nagkaroon ng misrecord. What do you mean misrecord, sir? Yung disbursement na-record sa yung disbursement na record sa December when it should be recorded on November. O yun, di ba? Na-record sa December when it should be recorded sa November. Pero tingnan nyo dito yung proof of cash. Anong pinapakita dito? Take note of this. Hindi sa atin pinapahanap yung adjusted balance. Walang pinapahanap na adjusted sa atin. Ang pinapahanap lang sa atin is to reconcile the book balance and the bank balance. Ano yung mga naging reason bakit sila different at the end of the month? Ano yung mga transactions na naging reason bakit sila magkaiba sa isa't isa? Kaya kita nyo dito, di ba, depende sa purpose ng problem yung magiging itsura ng mga reconciliation natin, di ba? Napapansin nyo? In this case, tingnan nyo ang 7, 8, 9, 10. Hindi naman pinapahanap sa atin ano yung adjusted balance. Pinapahanap lang sa atin, okay, ito yung records ni company. Ano naman yung nasa records ni bangko? So in that case, in order to arrive the amounts sa records ni bangko, okay, reconcile. Ano yung mga naging difference nila? So kaya kita nyo, nakadepende sa purpose. So, di ba? Pero baka iba hindi nag-watch dito ng video nito. So, in-skip na lang. So, I hope kahit sa solution, kahit tingnan nyo lang yung solution, mag-gets nyo yung concept. And yeah, it is true, nakakahilo talaga ang bank reconciliation, lalo na pagdating sa proof of cash, kasi nakadepende talaga sa purpose. Kasi di ba, may mga proof of cash na kung saan, book balance dito, pinapahanap yung adjusted, tapos yung sa kabila, bank balance dito, pinapahanap yung adjusted balance, dapat pareho sila ng adjusted balance isa't isa. Yun yung nasa problem 2, di ba? Parang ganon. In this case, pinapahanap lang ano yung naka-record sa books ni bangko or ano yung naka-record kay bank. Di ba? Paano mo malalaman? Di ba? Hanapin mo yung records ni books, then yung mga differences nila para ma-achieve mo yung records ni bank. So, kasi yung purpose ng yun yung pinapanap sa problem. So, in this case, yung outstanding checks mas of November, tag dito? yung outstanding checks mo of 48750, yeah, 48750, anong gagawin mo dyan? Anong gagawin mo dyan? Ibalik mo sa November 30. Kasi nung November 30, sa point of view ni Bangko, di ba? Sa point of view ni Bangko, wala pang bawas yan. Walang nangyaring bawasan kasi outstanding pa siya as of November. So in this case, kaya mo siya ibabalik, i-add mo. And in this case, for disbursement of December, sa point of view ni Bangko, tanda nyo, point of view ni Bangko, na-disburse na siya. Kasi na-clear na siya ng December. So yun na. November, nung November 30, ang 48750, ibalik mo sa balance niya. Kasi para kay Bangko, sa point of view na, walang nangyaring bawas kasi hindi pa na-clear yung check. Pero pagdating ng December, doon na siya na-clear, doon na siya na-disburse. So sa point of view ni Bangko, disburse na siya. Kaya nakalagay na siya dito. O next tayo yung outstanding checks, December 31, 37,500. Ito naman, 37,500. Sa point of view ni Bangko, di ba? Outstanding pa siya eh. So bakit ka magdi-disburse? So tanggalin mo yan sa disbursement, ibalik mo sa ending balance. Di ba? Tanggalin mo sa disbursement kasi walang nangyaring disbursement. Hindi pa na-clear yung check. Di ba? Di ba? Para kay company, na-clear na yan eh. Pero ang tinitingnan natin dito is point of view ni Bangko. Para kay Bangko, hindi pa yan na-clear. Kasi outstanding pa yan as of December. So kaya tatanggalin mo sa disbursement kasi walang nangyaring disbursement for the transaction. Hence, since walang disbursement na nangyari, walang bawas ng cash, balik mo sa balance. Kasi walang nangyaring bawasan. Sa point of view ni Bangko, ha? Point of view ni Bangko, tingnan mo. Kasi ang pinapahanap sa atin dito, ulitin lang natin para mas maklear, ano yung nakarecord sa books ni Bangko? Ano yung nakarecord sa kanya? Hindi kung ano yung adjusted. Ano yung nakarecord sa kanya? Nga? So yun, deposits in transits as of November 30, yeah? Kay Bangko, yeah? Sa point of view ni Bangko, tanggalin mo yan. Bakit? Hindi pa na-clear yung deposits in transits eh. Bakit mo i-add sa balance ng cash mo? Wag mo i-add kasi hindi pa na-clear yan. So kaya dito minus 37,500, and sa point of view ulit ni Bangko, since November 30, deposit in transits pa lang siya, pagdating ng December, na-encash na, di ba? Na-approve na, na-process na, okay, isama mo na sa receipts para kay Bangko, di ba? Tandaan nyo, point of view ni Bangko to. Same dito, pagdating dito sa deposit in transits as of, December 31, itong 60,000, yeah? Tandaan nyo, dito yun siya nanggaling. Itong 60,000, para kay Bangko, wait, wag mong ilalagay sa receipts yan. Hindi pa nakiklear yan. Kaya tinanggal sa receipts ng December. Kaya, bawas din sa total bank balance or sa total cash balance para kay Bangko as of the ending. Kasi nga, deposits in transits pa lang yan eh. Hindi pa nakiklear yan. So, wag mong isama sa receipts, sabi ni Bangko. Ito naman, bank service charge. November bank service charge recorded on the company's books in December, di ba? Para kay Bangko, okay, November talaga yan company. So sa November mo may ibawas and wag mo isama sa disbursement mo for December kasi para kay November talaga yan. Yeah? Next is yung 6,750. Yeah? Saan ang galing 6,750? Dito ulit yung unrecorded, di ba? Yung unrecorded December bank service charges. So sabi ni Bangko, ilagay mo yan kasi nasa record dapat yan eh. Kaya may disbursement dito. Kasi for December talaga siya and recorded yan sa books si Bangko. Kasi alang, siya nag-charge ng bank service, di ba? So, bawas rin yan sa ending balance. And lastly, under footing of book receipts, di ba? Kasi para kay Bangko, tama yan. Tama yung na-record. Huwag nag-error si company. Di ba? So, kaya dagdag yan sa receipts, dagdag din sa balance kasi nga, so sa erroneous bank charge tayo, 'di ba? Ito kay bank to. Yeah. Disbursement, the bank erroneous charge sa company's account for 11,250 check off another depositor's account. So sa disbursement, 11,250 minus 11,250. So bakit nyo ganyan nilagay? Kasi tingnan mo, 'di ba? Ang sabi, hindi pa tayo mag-a-adjust. Ang ginagawa lang natin, ano yung na-record ni bangko sa kanyang records, sa kanyang books. So in this case, na-record ni bangko na erroneously na charge niya si company. So kaya i-reflect mo yun dito para malaman mo ano yung na-record ni bangko. Yung na-record ni bangko, yung unadjusted pa. Kasi hindi sa atin pinapahanap yung adjusted dito sa problem 1. So in that case yun, balance 55, 45, so yun. A, C, A, D. So yan Kaya analytical skills talaga yung kapatid. Kahit bobo ka sa math, kahit bobo ka sa math, basta mayroon ka analytical skills, magiging CPA ka, guaranteed. Kasi hindi yan sa pag-solve ng algebraic expression, mga etc. Nasa yan? Analytical skills mo. Basta may analytical skills ka, goods ka, CPA ka. Sir, napapractice ba ang analytical skills? So, it can be achieved. It is gifted. Naturally acquired. Meron ding na-achieve through practice and perseverance. So, paano yung ma-achieve, sir? Solve ka na maraming problems if you want to achieve that. Solve ka. Yung mga prac books ni Balix, yung mga odd problems makita mo sa internet, yung mga solve. Yeah. So anyways, sa number 2, same logic lang yun sa number 1. Wag natin pahabaan. So diretso tayo number 3. So sa number 3, petty cash. Dali lang ito si petty cash replenish lang to. Yeah. Ano daw ang adjustment should be prepared on June 30, 2020. So, office supplies expense, travel expense, diba? May kaya rin to, etc. Ang petty cash fund general ledger account sa impress balance of 4,000. So, ito yung mga vouchers, diba? Etc. Check drawn by Raki, payable to the order of Jingle Fund Custodian. So, alam mong replenish yan kasi kay custodian in-assign So, alam, pandagdag yan, replenish. And employees check, return by bank, sheet of paper. Ito, yung isama to, yung contributions ng employees para sa departing employee, hindi yan kasama. So, in that case, ito, adjustments, di ba? Balikan nyo yung sa petty cash nyo. Lumalabas na sa board exam, sir. May mga problems yun. Ewan ko sa FAR yun or kung sa odd probs. Meron yun. Yung petty cash natin, sali yung mahirap. Parang ganito rin. Parang ganun rin yun. Pero hindi naman siya mahirap. So yun. Yung mga vouchers, yung mga expenses. Then, cash over and short. Ano matatandaan sa cash over and short? Cash short, kapag yung amount of replenishment is greater than the tawag dito? Kapag yung amount of replenishment na kailangan mong gawin is greater than the actual vouchers, ibig sabihin may cash shortage ka. Meaning, merong mga expenses na hindi na-account, kaya ka may shortage. Kapag yung amount of replenishment is greater than the amount of vouchers or expenses na na-incur mo from that petty cash fund, basta yun may shortage ka. Kasi, for example, 500 yung kailangan mo i-replenish. Pero sa records mo, nakita mo, bakit 450 lang yung may recorded transactions from the petty cash, mga vouchers, mga expenses. Tapos bakit 500 ang i-replenish ko ay naka-record lang is 450? Yun, shortage yun. Na-short ka ng 50. Hindi mo alam saan napunta yung 50 pesos na yun. On the other hand, yung cash over, baliktarin natin, yung i-replenish mo sa sa petty cash fund is 450. I-replenish mo is 450 lang. Yung na-record sa sa vouchers, nabaliktad ba ako? Yung na-record sa vouchers is 500, So nasobrahan ka, may over ka sa recordings. Balikan niyo lang yung petty cash nyo. Hindi naman ito masyadong mahirap pagdating sa board exam kasi hindi siya major topic na very tricky na pagtitripan ng examiner. So sure ka, sure? Mga 50-50. At what amount should the petty cash or the cash fund be shown shown in the balance sheet as of June 30, 2020. Petty cash fund ledger, ito, adjustment lang. Madali lang yan siya. Chill. So, problem 4 tayo. Madali lang yung problem 4. Saan sa problem 4? Ito. So, mama mo cute. So, yun. Si auditor, mama mo cute. The auditor of mama cute, tag ito, incorporated, gather the following information. So, November 30, bank statement balance included service charge of 2K. November 30, cash balance. Drink water. Yun. November 30, cash balance in the general ledger was 244,500. So, alam mo na. Cash balance. So, on general ledger, on November 30, so alam itong beginning balance, yeah? So, outstanding checks on November 30 were 63 while undeposited receipts were 36 for November 2. Bank service charges shown in the bank statement totaled 3,000. Ito na, maraming details. On December 31, cash balance is in the general ledger was 319,750 which recognized 482,750 for December receipts and 405,500 for checks written during December. So, in transit to the bank were receipts of 28,750, checks of 15,000 written prior to December, and checks of 6,500 written December had not yet cleared the bank. So, anong pinapatanong sa atin dito, kapatid? Someday. Yeah. So, what is the total book disbursements for the month of December? So, ang sinabi dito, meron kang 405,500 of checks written during December. However, that is for checks written lang yan. Ang tinatanong, magkano yung disbursement mo? So, yun. Meron ka dito November 30 bank statement balance includes bank service charges of 2,000 pesos. So, November bank service charges recorded on books in December. So, December mo siya na-record. Kasi nga, na-explain natin kanina kung bakit, di ba? Because monthly bank statements are delivered at the end of the month, or not necessarily at the end of the month kasi sasama nila yung last day. Usually at the first or second week of the following month yan na dinideliver. So, kaya, next month mo na pa. The next month mo pa mare-record. Yeah, ganun yung explanation. So, kaya 407,500 yung total disbursement mo for the month of December. Book disbursements mo for the month of December. 407. With that said, what is the November 30 bank balance? What is the total bank receipts in December? What is the total bank disbursement in December? And what is the bank balance on December 31? So, ito ulit. Same logic, di ba? Same logic ang pinapakita. Niniskip na natin yung number 2 kasi yun. Same logic lang sa number 1. Anyways, same logic. Mayroon kang book balance. Pero ang pinapahanap sa'yo, ulitin natin, hindi yung adjusted amounts, but rather, ano yung nirecord ni Bangko? So, point of view ni Bangko to. So, yung sa bank balance per books, di ba? Given naman, no? Given. 244,500. Receipts, 482,750. Ito lang nga, yung sa disbursement, yeah. Huwag makalimutan yung 2K, kasama yan. 475. And yung ending balance of 319,750. Ito sa books to. Ang pinapahanap sa atin, ano yung na-record ni Bangko? Paano natin malalaman na yung na-record ni Bangko? Yung differences silang dalawa, ni books at ni bank, hanapin mo. Yeah? So, yung undeposited receipts, in the amount of, undeposited receipts in the amount of 36,000 peso. Undeposited receipts. So, anong meaning yan, di ba? Undeposited receipts. Outstanding checks on November 30 were 63, while yung outstanding undeposited, di ba? Deposit in transits, kumbaga, for the November 30 was 36,000. Ano yung logic ulit? Ulitin natin. Same lang yun sa kanina eh. Yeah? Same logic lang yun sa 1 and 2. Ang undeposited receipts, o yung deposit in transits, meaning, yeah, para sa point of view ni Bangko, wala pa yan. Diba? Kahit for November siya, hindi pa nakiklear ni Bangko eh. Diba? Kaya nga undeposited receipts, deposit in transits, kumbaga. So, for the month of November, wala yan, huwag mo isama yan. And since Na-clear lang siya on December, okay, isama mo sa receipts. Dito naman sa for December 31, yung 28,750, to in transit, deposit in transits for December, 28,750. Para kay bangko, wait, wag mo muna isama yan sa receipts mo. Bakit? Di pa na-clear eh. Deposit in transits pa lang yan. So, kaya tinanggal mo dito sa receipts and tinanggal mo rin dito sa ending balance. Yung outstanding checks naman, for November, di ba? 60,000. Yung outstanding checks, para kay bangko, sa point of view na, okay, wag mo munang ibawas yan, kapatid. Kasi nga, hindi pa nakiklear. Outstanding pa siya by November. Na-clear lang siya by December. Kaya i-add mo sa disbursement ng December. Kasi nga, outstanding checks as of November 30, hindi pa nakiklear ni bangko, hindi pa niya ni-approve. So, wala pang bawas sa balance ng cash, kaya ibalik mo siya. Yeah? Kaya binalik dito. Kasi para kay bangko, wala pa yan. Hindi pa yan bawas. Ngayon, since November 30 outstanding siya, so logic will tell you, by December, na-approve na siya for disbursement. Kaya dito, for December, disburse na siya sa mata ni bangko. Yeah? Yung outstanding checks naman for the month of December in the amount of 75,500. Saan ang galing yan? Ito, checks of 15,000 written prior to December and checks of 6,500 written in December had not yet cleared the bank. So, 15 plus 65, 60,500, 75,500. So, para kay bangko, okay, hindi pa na-clear sa bangko. So, wag mong ilagay sa disbursement kasi wala pang nangyaring clearance for that checks issued. Outstanding pa eh. Hindi pa clear ni bangko, so huwag mong isama sa disbursement kasi wala kang nilabas sa pera dyan. And hence, since wala kang nilabas sa pera, ibalik mo sa ending balance ang cash mo. Yeah? Tingin talaga sa point of view. Ngayon, may mga problems naman na kung saan, yeah? Bank balance yung mabinigay dito sa taas, binaliktad, tapos ang pinapahanap sa'yo balance per books. Now, in that case, titingnan mo na yung problem based sa point of view ni company. Yeah? Analyze mo. So, bank service charges, 2K. So, November 30 bank settlement included. Bank service charges of 2,000. Ito, tama to. Yeah? Si company, anong ginawa niya? Anong ginawa niya? Ginawa niya, sa December niya, chinarge yung 2,000. Kasi, bakit? Kasi December niya na-receive yung yung bank statement. So, in that case, sabi ni bangko, whoa, wait lang kapatid. Bakit? That is for November. Sa books ni bangko, sa records ni bangko, that is for November. Point of view ni bangko, that is for November. So in that case, wag mo sang isama sa disbursement ng December. Yeah? Ibawas mo sa balance ng November. Point of view ni bangko yon. Ito naman yung 3,000 bank service charge. Ito para kay bangko, since nasa record yun so alam niya na agad. 3,000 disbursement. Bawas mo sa balance. So ito yung balance per bank. Ito yung nasa record ni bangko. Hindi adjusted ang hinahanap natin, di ba? Kasi hindi lang pinapahanap ng question. But rather, ano yung balance? Ano yung naka-record? Yeah? Kasi yung sa number 2, di ba? Pinapahanap sa atin is yung balance, di ba? Pinapahanap sa atin is yung balance. Yung adjusted na. Kasi yun yung question. Yeah? Di ba? Madali na yung number 2. At sayang sa oras. Same logic lang naman yun. So with that, mga answers, yeah, BADB. BADB. So, number 5 tayo, no? Last number. So, minamadali lang natin to kasi nasa review, but short discussion lang to. So sa number 5, ito same to dun sa lecture video natin sa sa auditing for cash. Yung sa previous natin, same yung may tumakas na cashier na kung saan itong cashier na to, yun pa rin bookkeeper. So in audit, that is very bad or that is very red flag yan. Bakit? Sino yung nag-handle ng pera? Sino yung humahawak ng pera? Siya nagre-record? Dapat i-separate mo yan sila. Separate mo dapat sa different persons yung duty na yan. Basta malalaman nyo sa auditing theory nyo, explain yan doon. Basta, for short, bad yun. Not appropriate. Deliction. So with that, si cashier ng Bigo ka forever, so appropriate para sa'yo, who was also the bookkeeper of the company, disappeared and cannot be contacted on the night of April 16, 2020. Dapat itong 2020, 2016. Or dapat ito, same lang. Para lang, 2020 ba nalagay ko dito? Oo. Oh, yeah. So, palitan na natin. Makinig muna kayo sa kanta ko. Someday, it is 2020. So, ito 2019. 2020. But anyways, logic will tell you naman, obviously, December 19, 2020. Someday, it will be easier. Someday, it will be brighter. Someday, it will be easier. Someday. Okay, goods. Anyways, yun. Obvious naman, di ba? So, ano yun? Ano ba yung mga question nilagay ko? Purchase collections. So, tama naman yung sa questions. Mali lang yung input ko dito sa solution. But anyways, ang pinapatanong sa atin, yun, may tumakas na cashier. And itong si cashier na to, apparently with a large portion of company's cash ang nakuha niya. She had taken with her certain accounting recordings, including cash journal and general ledger. So, sinama niya si cash journals pati general ledger. So, you are called upon to ascertain the shortage with which the missing employee may be charged. So, you obtain the following information from the available subsidiary journals, ledgers, and other data. At least may natira pang records. So, balances at close of business, April 16, 2020, before umalis, before nilayasan ni cashier bookkeeper, yung accounts receivable, itong balance siya, 442,550, accounts payable, 207,300, and yung cash in banks, less the checks outstanding, 98,830. Excuse me po. So, ito naman transactions for the current year, diba? From January 1 to April 16 before the incident, yung sales per receivable clerk, mayroon kang 5.8 billion, 5.8 million. May cash sales, wala kang cash sales. So, lahat ng sales mo, credit sales, sales on account, receivable. So, sales allowance in customer's account, ito, 18,30,30. Cash purchase of furniture, per dealer's invoice, 3,000. Total merchandise purchase, 3,615,260. Expenses naman that are supported by invoices and payrolls, 1.8 million. Cash dividends, declared 50, of which 10,000 remains unpaid, 40,000. Ayaw, ngayon, kakalindol ngayon, blackout. Pause muna. Okay, bumalik na ang ilaw. Okay, let's do this. Ano yung last ko sinabi? Transactions, receivable card. Ayun, a check-in amount of 100,000 pesos had been cashed by the bookkeeper shortly before her departure. Although the signature on the check had been previously obviously forged, it was paid by the bank and returned with other canceled checks. So, yun yung given natin. And ito, statement of financial position prepared from the books and other files follows. So, obviously, December 31, 2019 to, obviously, kasi paano ka hindi na may makaka-prepare ng diba? December 31, 2020, nangyari yung problema, April 16, 2010. So, common sense will tell you, kahit typo to, this is as of December 31, 2019. And ito, tip for the board exam. Just because may nakita kayong typo or error, it does not necessarily mean na automatic bonus yan. Don't assume that. Kayo rin na mahirapan in the end. Pag may nakita kayo, typo to, so bonus to. No. GG yan kayo. So, answer nyo pa rin. Try to make match, hanapan nyo talaga ng logic or ng sense yung problem. Try to look for that. Yun. Like, paano to? Pag bibigyan ko to ng sense or logic, paano pag ayusin ko tong problem na to, diba? Di ba? Kasi mahirap umasa bonus. So, baka sabi, bonus to. So, hindi mo lang answerin, lasangin mo lang, skip mo lang. Hindi. Try to make sense out of the problem para ma-answer mo na maayos. So, yun, 2019 to, obviously. So, with that said, anong question? Chicken manok. Gutom na ako. Tapos nag-blackout. Tapos yung yawa. So yun, what is the total amount paid for merchandise purchases? So same logic ulit, yeah? Same logic lang yan mga kapatid, yeah? Tinatanong, magkano yung binayad mo for the merchandise purchases, yeah? Or what is the payment for the merchandise purchases? Magkano na yung binayad mo para sa mga binili mong merchandise? So that involves yung actual payment of cash and yung mga accounts payable na binayaran mo na. Diba? I believe this had been discussed to you. Oh, sa liabilities pati yung sa FAR 4, di ba? Sa FAR 4 but rather FAR 3, yun. But anyways, saan yun? Hindi, sa hindi yun FAR 3. So, adyo kasi FAR 3 tawag na dito. Sa atin, IA 3 yun. Anyways, yun. Accounts payable, ending balance, di ba? 114, 500. Saan yun? 114, 500. 114, 720. That is the ending balance ng 2019, which is the beginning balance of 2020. Yeah? So yun, 114, 720. Tapos nag-add ka ng purchases. Bumili ka. So yung total mo is 3729.80. And out of that, yung natitira na lang na utang mo is 207,300. So ano meaning yan? Meaning yan, out of 3,729,980 na ang hindi mo na lang nababayaran dyan is 207,300 kasi ending balance ng accounts payable mo as of April 16 before the incident is 207,300. So with that, it will tell you na yung payment mo for the merchandise for the current year is 3,522,680. Yan na yung nabayaran mo. Next one. Gutom na rin ako. May suwat na pala yun. So, letter C. Next one, what is the total amount of collections from sales? So, ang sabi rin dito, di ba, wala tayong cash sales. So, wala kang problema dyan. Hindi mo kailangan i-separate yan or segregate. Lahat ng sales mo, sales on account. Ngayon, paano malalaman yan? Anong kadikit ng sales, di ba? Accounts receivable. Ang kadikit ng purchases mo ng merchandise is accounts payable. Ang kadikit ng sales mo is yung account receivable. And in this case, gaya na sabi natin, walang cash sales. So, wala kang poproblemahing pag-segregate. Lahat yan, credit sales. Lahat yan, sales on account. Lahat yan, konektado sa accounts receivable. So, ang tanong, what is the total amount of collection? So, magkano na na-collect mo from your sales? So, beginning balance mo, yung ending balance ng 2019, diba? 226,230 sa accounts receivable, plus yung net sales mo. Net sales, paano net sales? Yes, yung total sales mo yung total sales mo, sabi ni receivable clerk, 5.876,170. However, don't forget the net sales allowances. So, net sales, 5.857. Tanggalin mo yung dyan, yung 1833. So, with that, ito yung total mo, 6.084070. Ang problema, hindi lahat yan nakabayad na. May mga customers pa na kung saan may outstanding receivable pa sila as of the April 16 before the incident in the amount of 442,550. So, tanggalin mo. So, yung total na collect mo pa lang from the sales is 5.641,520. Anong next? What is the total amount of cash disbursement from January 1 to April 16, 2020? So, magkano yung mga nagagastos mo? Magkano yung nagagastos mo? Yeah? Magkano yung cash disbursement? Diba ito? Ano yung mga pagbili mo ng merchandise, yung pagbayad mo sa merchandise, yun 3.5 million, lagay mo. Balikan natin yung final statements. Cash sales, allowance customers, cash purchase, yung furniture. Yan, nagbayad ka, cash purchase. Disbursement yan. Expenses paid, supported by paid invoices and payrolls, 1.8. Okay. And yung cash dividends na dineclare, 40,000. So yan, add mo sila. Yung disbursement mo, yung amount ng pera na nilabas mo, 5.4 million. 5,431,510. So yung next, what is the cashier's accountability? Correct cash balance before shortage on April 1 o April 16, 2020. So yung cash balance mo as of the beginning of the period is 32,670 kasi yun yung ending balance ng 2019. Then yung collections mo, na-record mo na eh, collections mo, 5.6 million. Minus the disbursement, 5.4 million. So yung cash balance mo, na tama, di ba? Na dapat, should be, before ka nilayasan or tinakasan ng cashier bookkeeper mo. Kasi alam mo, ba't mo ginawang cashier bookkeeper? Alam mo, di ba? Kaya kailangan mo ng mga consultants, mga business consultants, magpa-help ka. Kasi makikita yan nila, uy, bakit yung cashier mo, bookkeeper mo, delicts yan. Separate mo yung duty. Diba? Mga consultants. So, ang isang CPA, pwede rin maging consultant. Heavy tayo sa business, di ba? May MAS subjects tayo, taxation, jack of all trades ang CPA, kapatid. Sakit na ng tiyan ko. So, yun. Kaya, ang pera mo, should be is 242,680. Diyan accountable si cashier bookkeeper. Ang next question, what is the amount of cash shortage chargeable against the cashier? So ano din chargeable eh. Magkano yung inano niya? So ito. Yung cash accountability 242,680. Eh yung na-account mo lang is 98,830. So total shortage should be 148,50 plus ang sakit na dyan ko. Plus 140 equals to 148,50. Meaning yan 242 dapat yung cash mo. However, ang na-account na lang is 98.83. So, yan na ba yung ending? Hindi. Tingnan mo. Out of that 148.50, yung 100 dyan, kasalanan ni bangko. Kasalanan ni bangko. May mga court rulings tayo, Supreme Court rulings, Philippine Jurisprudence, tawag natin yan. Na kung saan, it is the duty of the bank to make sure na hindi forged. Oo. To make sure na mataas yung ano nila dyan, mataas yung liability but mataas yung degree of duty nila to make sure na yung mga cheque na pinapa-encash sa kanila proper. Minimake sure talaga nila. There are may mga Philippine cases tayo dyan na kung saan pinaparusahan yung bangko na anyways, so in this case, yung 100,000, chargeable to bank yan kasi kasalanan niya. Duty niya dapat na make sure. Tapos dito nakalagay, obviously forged. Bakit niya? Pinoses. Diba? So with that, yung accountable lang talaga, chargeable lang talaga kay cashier is 43,850. So with that, end our lesson. Bye-bye. Love you. Sakit ang tiyan ko.